Hi, my name is Prashant. I'm the creative head and owner of Whiteclap Studios, based out of Mumbai. Uh, Before being an owner, I'm an ex-student of MAAC, proud ex-student, I would say that. The session that we had today about the virtual production academy that Aptech is going to start off with, I think that's one of the good initiative that has been taken by any of the teaching institute around, because that's the need of the hour right now. When visual effects came, they were the pioneers of introducing VFX to students. Uh, we are classic examples of all that. And now the virtual production thing that is coming in, which I have started utilizing, using in my own setup. This is definitely going to help a lot in future to churn out more artists with good knowledge about how virtual production works, especially Unreal Engine, the new tool that everyone is talking about nowadays. So yeah, overall, the session that we had today was a very, I know about it, but it's an eye opener for a lot of people who attended this session today, and definitely a great initiative by